everyone, Danielle Gaertner here from Treston. I'm part of the inside sales team, and today I am thrilled to unbox our latest innovation, the brand new American-made Treston Cornerstone Workbench. This is a huge milestone for us because it's the very first Treston bench to be manufactured entirely at our new facility in Arizona. Plus, it has a fresh new design with a closed leg tube to have quicker assembly. Let's take a closer look. All right, so this is how the bench arrives, flat packed in a box to ensure safe shipping. Let's open it up. To make sure it's well protected, we've used a spray-in foam to help prevent damage during transit. All the hardware is neatly organized, and as you can see, everything is clearly labeled. We even include a detailed instruction sheet with a link to an assembly video to help guide you through the process. And of course, it's proudly made in the USA, so if you order any of our standard sizes, we have stock in Canton, Georgia that's ready to ship in 5 days. You can see how well protected each piece is. Here we have wood blocks as well as protective foam, so no scratches or dents to worry about. Here we have the hardware pack and glides for the feet. And then we have the foot tubes, the leg tubes, front rail, and rear case. The finish is a durable ESD powder coat, and the steel is high quality and incredibly sturdy. Having said that, this bench is built to withstand the toughest environments. The instructions are clear, even telling you exactly what tools you'll need. Now for the fun part, assembly. I won't take you through every step, but I'll show you a few clips to demonstrate just how quick and easy it is. And there you have it, the fully assembled Cornerstone Workbench. Assembly was a breeze thanks to the new leg tubes. This bench can hold up to 1,500 pounds and is compatible with all our standard Treston accessories. These can be made mobile with optional casters, and you can add upright tube modules for extra storage or organization above the workbench. The height is adjustable from 29 to 35 inches, and all the holes are threaded for quick and easy adjustments. And if you need the bench taller, we offer leg extenders as another option. This truly offers everything you could need. Overall, I've been very impressed with the new Cornerstone Workbench. The packaging, quality, and thoughtful design are top-notch. So if you're in the market for a durable, ergonomic workstation that's built to last and proudly made in the US, I highly recommend checking it out.